Hi, everyone. Well, before I get into details, you have timestamps on the video at the bottom. So in case you don't want to listen to the whole rant, you can fast forward to the part that you're interested in. So you don't have to listen to me for 10 or 15 minutes. Okay. All right. So I'm going to start with the Bitcoin price on a daily chart and what's doing. Like today, we can see that it's going up. But as I said a few days ago on a video, here we have resistance that we touched 3 days ago on Friday and got rejected. And this is the resistance that we have to go through in order to keep going up on the price. Now, let's be honest. If we just take a look at this, up, down, low, high, low, high. Okay, and we hide. This is a downtrend. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I expect the price of Bitcoin to keep ranging and probably go a little bit lower during the month of September. We know the months of September, the year after the halving, usually are red. So going lower, it is a possibility. Is it 100% sure? No, nothing in the markets is 100% sure, but it's something that to keep in mind. So in case we break this to the upside, then the next target will be here at $117,000, $118,000. I really think that this is what we're going to do. And again, I said it a few days ago, and if we go to a lower frame over to this, we can see that we're actually doing it. I said it here, we will go up, retracement. Actually, the retracement was a little bit bigger. Going up, look at this, we went up. Going low, we did. Now we're going up. Let's see. Between today, probably this week, we will know if this is going up and breaking or turning around and going lower. Why do I think we can go lower? Because, so far on the liquidation heat map, there's only 186 million liquidated in the last 24 hours. That is nothing. But we have a little bit of liquidations to get down here, down to 106,700. And you can also see it here. We still have some liquidity that market makers could go grab it. And then after we grab it, up we go like a springer, you say it in English. Yeah, that's something that I really think it could happen. Like go lower, grab that liquidity, and then go up and resume the bull market in the month of October. Okay. So yeah, that's my idea for now. I still remain a little bit bearish and thinking that the price can go lower. But in case it doesn't, well, I have my bots open since this date. What was it? 22nd of August. And my bots are ranging here. Okay. They're making money as long as Bitcoin and other coins, Ethereum, Solana, SUI, and XRP. As long as Bitcoin is around this range, my bots are making trades. So if the price goes below this range, that's why I prepared the video the other day of a bot to be triggered if the price of Bitcoin goes to 106,376. In case it doesn't, well, I'm in the market. I'm making trades on every single up and down. I'm making trades on every single up and down. And the moment it goes higher, well, happy days and green results. Some of you ask me, what should I do? Should I open a bot or should I wait? I can't tell you what to do, to be honest. I'm not a financial advisor, but I will tell you what I would do if I was in the market. If I didn't have my bots working at the moment, what I would do is I would definitely leave a bot ready in case Bitcoin price goes lower to be able to enter at a discount price, I will set like, I don't know, between 40 and 60% of the capital that I want to allocate into the bots. I will allocate it into this one. And then I would open with the remainder. I would open another bot with this range. And so in case I was like, okay, I really have to go, I really want to open bot, I want my bots to start working now and I can't wait. Well, set a percentage of your bot down here, obviously with the top level very high. But let's say, let me just get rid of this. I would do something like this. I will get a bot with an entrance around here, bottom range, top range, something like this. And then I would open another one. Like if I wanted to open one right now, I would do something like this. The bottom price would be at the other bot's entrance and the top range, maybe a little bit high. Okay, so I would do this. I would open two bots, one waiting for the price to go down and one to start working right now. But again, that's something that I would do. You do you. You do whatever you consider. Okay. Next thing, before I talk about what I expect for the next weeks on the market and why I think the bull market is not finished, and we still have prices to go higher. Let's go take a look at the bots and how they're doing. As I said, I have the BTC bot waiting for the price to go to 106,376. And then I have the cash bots and the M coins. Remember, the M coins are the bots that give me back coins, not USDT. The cash ones have 0.03% loss so far. As you can see, Ethereum is giving me a total profit minuscule, 0.20%. But on the grid, it has given me 7.61 in 16 days. That's not much. It's close to 0.45% daily. But that's because Ethereum is not being very volatile. Well, nothing on the market has been very volatile lately, as you can see. The more volatile a market is, the more orders are executed on the grid, and these gets higher. But nevertheless, 7.61 in 16 days is not bad. Yeah, I have a 748 loss on the value of Ethereum because I entered at 4,600 and right now it's at 4,300. But the moment this goes a little higher, this turns from red into green, and happy days, this goes very high. And also, the moment the price goes up, this is going to execute more orders, so these will go higher. So yeah. SUI is the one that is not performing great together with XRP, but still 0.33 down. That is basically nothing. Check that. Yes, 725 loss on the value because there's a 3x leverage. I enter at 359. Right now it's at 347. So yeah, there's a loss here. But again, 680 in 16 days. The moment the price goes up, these will execute more orders. So these almost 7% will turn into a 9, 10, 11. We'll see. And these will go from red to green, making this a higher green. How can we see this? We can see this on the marvelous Solana. Solana, although it hasn't been very volatile neither, you can see almost about 5.7% profit in 16 days. That is a 0.33 daily. That's not very much. But I entered at 190. The price is at 230. So I got this 1158, 1156 profit on the position. Now, these profit 17.24 isn't Solanas. I mean, like I made 1.03 Solanas with 6 Solanas. But if we go to the dollars, that's a 31.42% in 16 days, just because Solana has been the best performer of all my bots since I opened them 16 days ago. Au contraire, XRP, 6% on the grid, 4.8 on the value of the asset. I enter at 3, it's at 294, so it's very close to break even and turning this into very positive. Right now, only 1% up. And finally, we have the Bitcoin M bot giving me Bitcoins. That is 122 down, 417 on the grid, and 5.4 down on the price. I entered at 115.287, and right now we are at 112.10. Again, I expect let me see Bitcoin. I expect the price either be ranging during the next days or go lower. So I have a bot waiting just in case the price go lower, and that way I'll be able to catch all this movement and actually it's gonna be bigger. It's gonna be at 125. So yeah, hopefully it goes lower and I get to buy some Bitcoin at a discount, but we will see. Again, if I didn't have my bots working at the moment, I would open a bot right now on this range and entering right now, putting looks like this, the top around here, and then have another bot waiting for this price to catch all this again. On the little lower to 100, maybe to 100, yeah, something around 100, and this goes up like this. Yeah. So this is what I would do. All right. So we talked about the market. We talked about the bots, how they're doing. Remember, if you guys want to use the bots, if you want to open your bots, use the link in the description and you'll get 3% rebate on all your transactions. Just check this. This is 380 rounds. So you have to multiply this by 2. Has been 760 transactions. This is almost 600 transactions. This is 600 transactions, 720 transactions. If you get a 3% rebate on every single transaction, so that's if you use the link in the description. If you open it without the link, well, you pay full price and it's completely up to you. So now let's talk about what I think for the rest of the week, rest of the month and October. As you can see on ETF, outflows just a little bit, outflows not very much, inflows. So right now we're going sideways. I guess we're waiting for the Fed to make the rate decision if they're going to cut 0.25 or 0.5. So until then, yeah, probably ranging and maybe going a little bit lower. Fear and greed is a 42, neutral. Every time we go below 40, yeah, the price takes a little dump, but then we bounce hard to the upside. So not bad. If we take a FOMO finder, it's on balance. Only when we are at greed and when we are at FOMO is when the price reaches, as you can see here, reaches tops, and we are not there. So this is not the end of the bull market, not at all. Altcoin season 59, we're going higher, not bad, but still not on altcoin season. So we know that the moment we hit altcoin season, we have a few days, maybe a week and a half, where altcoins will go parabolic and then everything will crash again. I think this is going to be around the end of October, probably the month of November, but we will see. CBBI is at 74. Remember, is the confidence that we are at the peak. Anytime that we are over 80, it's a moment to start taking profits. And when it goes above 90, is sell everything, even the computer. And yeah, we are down here. Only when we go over 80 and 90 is tops, peaks of the market. So we still have some margin and few weeks on the bull market to keep making money. The short-term holder NVR ratio, it's also another one that I like to check. Only when we are at the orange dotted line is a good moment to sell partially or all your position, because those are picks. As you can see here, there was a pick in the price. Here, there was a pick in the price. Here, it was a pick in the price. All this was the peak of 2021 bull market. So yeah, we're not even on the black one, so we still have time for this bull market. And finally, one weird one, but it actually works and signals pretty well, and it's the crypto apps ranking for the App Store in the USA. When Coinbase reaches the top 5, definitely if it reaches top 1, that's the moment to sell everything. And right now is at the 324. So yeah, the moment this begins to go higher, and gets close to number one on the first top 5 of crypto apps at the App Store, not crypto apps at the App Store in the United States. When it's one of the top 5 is when your driver tells you to buy Bitcoin, it's time for you to sell. Well, when everybody's downloading the Coinbase app in the United States and it's on the top 5, is a good moment to start selling. So yeah, I will be monitoring these also. And yeah, I hope you guys like the content. Remember, if you on Thursday, I will be opening a new bot just in case the price goes low. I only have the one on Bitcoin, but I want to open a few more. And I have at the community on my channel, you can vote if you want me to open a bot for Ethereum or Solana or XRP or SUI. Okay, and yeah, I will be opening one each week. Maybe next week I will open 2. But yeah, vote for which one you want this week for me to open on Thursday. And also remember that tomorrow we have the lovely Maya on the channel. I will be uploading a video where I give it a class. It's about half an hour, 45 minutes of video. And yeah, I will be back with the market situation and bot situation next Wednesday. Until then, stay safe, stay on the green, and have fun. Cheers.